to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set permissions in Google Drive. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set permissions in your Google Drive, then all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Drive. Once you have opened your Google Drive, you need to simply select any of the folder that you want to share. Once you've selected it, tap on the three dot and tap on the share option. So once you find the share option right there, you can simply add people. So once you add people, you can simply give them access according to your choice. Like you can go and manage access and you can simply restrict people, like you can restrict them or tap on anyone with link. So once you have done this, you can also manage the position like editor or view only in your Google Drive by typing in their full Gmail address. So once you have done this, you will be able to set specific permissions in your Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.